This work is about memories and the attempt to preserve them on the one hand, and on the other hand, the acceptance of letting go of them. The work has two focal points. The first one is a wax workshop in which the public was invited to participate and bring objects and dip them in a hot waxed melting pot. And this is a tribute to my great-grandfather's candle manufactory, which operated in the town of Piaseczno in Poland before the war. And the other focal point of the work is an outdoor installation work just across the street from the workshop, and it is composed of the outcome of the workshop, which are wax-coated objects. My motivation for the project was mainly to pay tribute to a vivid and productive Jewish life and culture that was once an integral part of Poland. And I think it's important, especially today, when I feel that this memory is slowly slipping away and the generation that still remembers pre-war Poland is nearly gone. I think for everyone coming from a ceramic background like me, the firing has a very special meaning. And I think it's a very significant stage in the work process. I mean, it's the point in which you, as an artist or a craftsman, you've done yours, and then you let go, and you hope for the best, and the result is not always the way you expected. And I think in a similar way, the Kumzits project was a little bit like that.